This book is called Fun with Colors, and it focuses on the color brown. Let's take a look at some of the things that are brown. This is dirt. Dirt is brown. Dirt is under the grass. This is a football. American football is very popular in the United States. This football is brown. These are bricks. You can use bricks to build a house. These bricks are brown in color. These bricks are also shaped like rectangles. This little girl has brown eyes. There are 3 dogs in this picture. They are brown dogs. Their fur is brown. Some of these eggs are brown. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 brown eggs.